I never really anticipated being part of a project, at least in college, that could have life or death ramifications.
We are the Air Force Research Lab Senior Design Team.
The objective for this has been to build an autonomous or like a controllable bot that can go out into to like a hostile territory, go up walls and place situational awareness sensors.
It helps put troops out of harm's way.
The fact that this project could save somebody's life is amazing.
That's why I've got extra interest in this project, because when I was in the Marines, I saw a lot of room for improvement as far as engineering.
It's a real thing. It's not a school project that people have been doing for 15 years. It's new, it's innovation.
It's not about who does better, it's about what you learn and how that can help others.
We are the 2021 University of Minnesota Duluth Senior Design Team for the Air Force Research Labs Design Contest. We have designed a remote sensor deployment platform. With 4-wheel drive and 4-wheel steering and two 12-inch propellers, this robot can traverse diverse ground terrain and additionally scale vertical surfaces. The culmination of our design comes to our deployment system, which can deploy up to 3 payloads, which can be sensors or cameras.
The beauty of this team is it's very multidisciplinary. We have mechanical engineers, electrical engineers, computer science students, engineering physics students. We're all working together on one specific project.
My role is the lead programmer.
Adhesive research lead.
FPV lead, which is first-person view cameras.
And I'm the steering and suspension lead.
The deployable sensor lead.
Power team and drive systems.
Propulsion control lead on this team.
One of the biggest challenges with the competition is we have to somehow find a way to place a camera at least 100 feet up on a wall.
3, 2, 1.
We have really big, beefy drone motors that require full 24 volts, a lot of amperage going at it. But then on the other side of the scale, we have tiny sensors, cameras, little controllers, steering servos. You know, moving down voltage, it takes more components and that adds more weight. And then there's just wire management. There's a clutter. You have so many parts, different systems. It takes a clear head and some real organizational skill.
This project, we call it think out of the box kind of design solutions, where the students are not limited to what they can do.
You have to be able to have the creativity and not be afraid to test out things that haven't been done before. We've actually talked to several people in the military that have done similar missions to this, and they are all very on board with what we're doing. They think it's a great solution that they would love to see actually implemented in the field.
Did 5 years in the Marine Corps, and I actually got to work with an engineering firm based out of San Diego while I was at Pendleton. That's when I decided I wanted to be an engineer, so this is kind of a whole dream come true fruition, getting to work on this little project here, helping out the Air Force. We've been able to solve every problem that's presented itself so far.
And for me, like, research is what I want to go into in the future. And this is research by itself, you know, like designing a solution to a problem and seeing if it's going to work well.
These are the first people that I met my first day at Duluth as a freshman. I just think it's pretty neat to be able to live, work, and hang out with the same group of people. That really is a UMD experience.
Being a smaller school settings that gives the students an opportunities to be able to see things that they teach in the classroom in the lab.
And I can't say that I would have had this experience at another college, to be honest. Definitely no regrets coming here.